What's going on, guys? Your boy Darius, McNugget. I'm actually take some of that off. I'm just over here doing some shit. But nah, it's your boy Darius McNugget, man. Come back here to with another live video. You know, another sick shit. Right now I'm be going into what I'm going into market structure. I'm gonna go into market structure, how to spot it out with ease. I'm gonna go into a little entry strategy so you can get more precise entries and more accurate, and hopefully by the end of this video you can have a little bit more confidence to take trades and possibly put more risk in your account confidently. Um, and I'm hoping you can take more accurate trades too as well. Not only building confidence and getting your entries right, but definitely taking more accurate trades and being on point shit. But anyways, we about to get into it though. I'm gonna show you this shit live, so you seeing my strategy work out on live price. I'm not going in the back, looking for shit that's already printed out. Nah, I'm doing this shit straight live, so you got to see it as it goes, so you can see for yourself that this shit works. All right, but first and foremost, as you see right now, I got a naked chart, right? This is what most people's charts looks like, added with a bunch of indicators and shit like that, all crazy. But this is cool and all. I highly recommend trading naked too, because the chart is a lot more clear and easy on the eyes. But this shit right here, all this shit that's going on, all this ain't easy on my eyes at all. This is confusing. Granted, I can see market structure. If you know what you're looking for, market structure, you can obviously spot this with ease. Higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, high, lower low. And if I wanted to go in detail with it, break it down a little scale, higher low, high, we got higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now to ignore all that extra shit, because you can see some move. You see, I got stuck right here for a second, right? I was like, wait, it's a higher high or high? But I'm saying it's a high because it didn't break this. But anyways, it's easy to get fucked up with structure, with market structure. And once you fuck one part of market structure up, it's over for the rest of this shit. Now let's say I did say this was a lower low, right? Being wrong, I would have been looking for a lower high. So, well, let me say this was a lower low. I would have thought this was a lower high, right? So I would have been selling, and really it's a low. So that, and that one little mistake with the market structure would have fucked me all up from that one little mistake. And granted, this don't really look like nothing, but I was saying this because I don't know. Anyways. So if you use MetaTrader 4, hit Control or hold Control and hit Y, and these should pop up. These little black lines should pop up. These are session day breaks. That's what they're called. And as you see, once I put them on the line, it made everything a lot more clearer. Let me take them off. You see what the charts look like without it. You see the market structure and all that, right? Put it back on, everything's separated, right? Everything's separated. So it's definitely easier on the eyes. Look, all consolidation right here. This is probably like, this is 3 days. This consolidated for 3 days. You can't tell, but with these on, boom, with this on, right? 1, 2, 3. Well, actually, 1, 2, 3, breakout. All right. So again, without this just look like straight consolidation. With it, it's broken down. So I'm seeing everything. Once it came out, 1, 2, 3. Let that breakout, boom. Well, actually, no. Since it started at 1, 2, 3, these are the 3 days of consolidation. Then it broke out and it broke down. But anyways, fuck all that. Anyways, look, another one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Breakout. Anyways, but this is basically, these shits is clutch, yo. Real rap. This shit make everything so cheap. I can literally trade just like this. No indicators or nothing. I'll be 100% confident and killing shit. But what's I about to say? Oh, all right. So now that y'all see this, each day does something specific. Now these boxes are days. So what's today? Today's Monday. So this is Monday. And this box that we're currently in, this is Monday going into Tuesday. You know, you got Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, you know. Oh shit, I fucked up. Tuesday, well, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Oh, I fucked that up too. All right, but y'all get the gist, right? So depending on what day you are, that's the box. I mean, whatever day it is and whatever box price is currently in, that's what the day is. So today's Tuesday. Hold on. Once I'm done, I'll reverse. All right, man. So today's Tuesday, right? Today's Tuesday. So this box is Tuesday. Well, this box is no. Today Monday. I'm sure. What's wrong, man? Today's Monday, so this box is Monday, right? So each day does something different. So for starters, I'm not really gonna break down the days, but just know every day of the week does something specific that I look for. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm looking for something different and something specific every single day of the market. I'm not really gonna give it out right now, you know, but if you book a one-on-one webinar with me, I definitely got you, and I'm, you know, more than willing to break this down. But I mean, you know, for one nugget, I will say for Monday, I'm always looking for a double top or a double bottom. Sunday, Monday, I'm looking for a double top or a double bottom to help me gain confirmation for my direction for the rest of the week. All right. So what pair is this on? GBP? Oh, well, this is in the past, so I can't really do nothing. But let me go over here. Let me see what that price is doing. So yeah, so this is setting up how I wanted it for a double top. But give me a second. Shit. All right. So again, if you're on MetaTrader, you hold control and hit Y so these lines can pop up. If you're on TradingView, you want to let me actually go there. I know they got the session day breaks in that joint too, but I just don't remember. They updated it, so I don't know where it's at. So give me a second. Let me go to it. All right, I'm back. I had to pause this because this shit was moving mad slow. But so if you go to TradingView, right, click on Settings, click on Appearance, and go to Session Breaks. You know, this is how you can get it on here if you use this. So your shit is gonna come like your shit is gonna be default. So your joint's not even gonna be like this. It's gonna be dashed or dotted. You're gonna have dotted lines and your shit gonna be on one. So your shit gonna look like this, mad thin. This is how your shit would look like. But that's that. Let's get back to this. So let's talk about the next thing, man. Next thing I want to go over is I'm like, why should I zoom in, yo? All right. Next thing I want to go over is really setting this shit up. So when it comes to these, my horizontal lines, right? When it comes to my horizontal lines, what I like to do, and market structure, what I like to do is put it at the opening of each day. So, right, this opened up bullish, right? So the next candle was bearish, right? So since that's the case, I'm going to take this. What the fuck, yo? Yo, bro, what the fuck? Pussy. What the fuck, man? Oh my gosh. Man. Fuck that shit. Oh, damn, wrong line, too. All right, there we go. So this is my line, right? So I'm going to put it from the opening's closing to the next candle's opening, and I will just drag this to the end of this session box for today. All right, ain't gonna do nothing else. Just that. All right. So I'm about to show you how this works too. Look left, right? This candle open up. Well, this candle closed bullish, and the next candle open up, right here. So I'm gonna put it in between both, drag it out to the next day. I'm gonna just do this for a little bit. I'm gonna just set myself up, and then I'm gonna explain how this goes so you can see how this works. All right. So look, this candle on these lines, this candle was bullish. So it closed bullish. The next one opened up bearish. Boom. Put that right there. This candle closed bearish. Next one opened up bullish. I'm gonna put this right here. Boom. And start going from up this way. This candle closed bullish. The next one opened up bearish. So I'll put it on top of these two. All right. Everything's gonna make sense when I start explaining this shit too. So this opened up bearish. Well, this closed bearish, and the next one opened up bullish. So I'm putting it underneath these two. All right. This closed bullish. Next one opened up bearish. So I'm putting it above these two. All right. Oh shit, I forgot one more too. This one closed bearish. Next one opened up bullish. So I'm gonna put it below these two. All right. So y'all kind of get the idea on how I'm setting this up and how I'm able to do this. All right. So let me start from over here. Start from right here. All right. So this is how I usually rock out. All right. Stop. So I'm pretty sure you heard the stuff. Look left, trade right. If you haven't, look left, trade right. All right. So the whole purpose of the banks is to hit yesterday's high or low of the day before taking off to wherever it wants to go. All right. So with that being said, if I look left, trade right, yesterday the market opened up right here, right? So me seeing that, I gotta take this off the big screen so I can actually be able to use my shit. So me seeing this, right? I'm like, all right, bet this is my target. So this is my target, I'm expecting the market to set up first to build up there. This is a buy. So my overall target is a buy, but I need the market to set that momentum up. You feel me? So I want to see sellers. I want to see sellers take advantage first. Right? I want to see sellers. Come on, stop. This shit is annoying. I want to see sellers finish what they was doing first, so buyers can start picking it up. All right. Now, in this point, you can see sellers lost momentum. Sellers was losing momentum, right? But they still was in control enough to bring the market down continuously. So because it never reversed this day, I'm not expecting it to get it this day because this shouldn't have even reversed by New York. But once the New York session came, I didn't see no spike up or nothing like that. So, or no breaker structure or anything like that. So I'm like, all right, bet maybe my move is gonna happen tomorrow. But in this case, you can see what's going on, right? So my overall target's a buy, so I'm gonna be waiting for my buy opportunity to signal that. All right. So come New York session, right? New York is the New York reversal, all right? So come New York session, I was expecting that buy to happen, which I got it, but it didn't break structure. So I'm like, all right, bet since it didn't break structure today, I'm expecting it to do it tomorrow, right? So look, going to the next day, this shit open, right? So look left, trade right. Look left, boom. This shit open up right here. But my target from the day before yesterday still wasn't hit. So I'm still expecting this shit to be hit. Stop. God, this shit is annoying. So I'm still expecting this to be hit, all right? So the buy, that's still my buy for the day. So right now, with these lines, it's just set up a downtrend continuation. With a downtrend continuation, I'm expecting a spike up, all right? I'm expecting a continuation up before selling, right? And that's exactly what we got. We got that buy up, right? This would have been my entry right here. Why? One, I'm already expecting the buy. Two, I got seller's exhaustion. Three, this line, not only do I mark it as the opening, but it's an entry trigger line, and I'm about to just show you real quick. Look, boom, bear, it just broke that. All this was the entry opportunity. This failed to break it, right? This failed to break all this shit. So you see, you were still good for the sell. This yawn broke it, pull back on it, right? So this is why I would have got my entry right here. I got bullish action breaking at resistance, right? Boom, hitting this resistance, right? Now my old resistance turned into support. So when it started pulling back, I was expecting this to break. Well, I'm not expecting it to break, but you know, I want it to break, but if it doesn't, well, wait. I want it to break, but I don't want it to break. So I always, when the market retests the area, something like that, I always say I want it to break. You know, whether I want it to break it or not, I always expecting it to break through it. That way, when it doesn't break through, I'm like, all right, bet. This trend is not about to continue. It's about to pull back, or it's about to transition, one of the two. So from the moment it started pulling back, I'm just like, you know, I'm expecting it to break that. If it doesn't, then I know it's going to go the opposite way. And what I'm looking for is valid. Mind you, I said with these lines set up, it just set up a downward continuation, right? So I'm expecting that overall push up, right? And I'm gonna get into this a little bit more when it comes to the live stuff too. Give me a second. I just want to explain this real quick. But right here, I would have got my entry opportunities because I got a seller's exhaustion. I'm already expecting to buy, and price failed to break my entry trigger line. So everything just is all fluence right here. I got a double bottom over here. I got a higher low right here. Especially after this spike, it just created that. So this is giving me all confirmation to get in. So if I ain't getting down here, I would have definitely got in after this. Took that up for 126 pips. If I got in down here, I would have took that up for 211 pips. It didn't make it up here, so that can be something I mark off for the rest of the week. But as you see, by the end of the week, it definitely hit it. But yeah, so up to continuation, right? So boom, it started going up. It didn't make it, and like fucking missed this by 43 pips. Now, if price hits this and it breaks it, then my next take profit is the actual high of that day. You know, but this is my first take profit. The opening of every day is my first take profit. You know, now sometimes price doesn't go all the way down there. You know, but this is good. This is a good way to really help me, you know, spot everything out and keep shit together. So look at this. Look left trade right. Overall target's a buy today. All right. Since my overall target's a buy, I want to see sellers lose momentum. I want to see buyers pick it up, especially come New York session. All right. So this New York session is just consolidated, and then it's consolidated. Sellers lost momentum. Buyers started to pick it up, take it into the next day. These lines set up, like you see these two lines again, they set up a downtrend continuation. So with the downtrend continuation, what I want to see a buy first before continuing to sell. And that's exactly what I got. So mind you, keep in mind, remember I said these are your entry trigger lines. Not only is this your entry trigger lines, right? Let me show you how you could work this out. So I would have actually got in after this just because I didn't like how this was moving. You know, it's mad indecision. I mean, it's mad little candles. I didn't see nothing with full momentum in it, so I wouldn't even be trading this unless I was super confident in my shit. But just to be on the safe side, I would have just waited for a safe entry and got in right here. Because why? It broke yesterday's entry trigger line, which is yesterday's resistance. It broke it right here. You got this candle breaking over. This candle tried to come back down, failed. This candle closed above it. If you remove this indecision candle, just put these two green candles next to each other, you got this. These two candles set up right here. That's what you got right here without this doji in the middle. So me seeing that, I'm like, all right, bet, break resistance. It's definitely going to go up. This is my take profit. All right. So I would have gotten in one of these two candles. Boom. Take that up, 145 pips. If I would have gotten on this one, 152 pips. All right. But you see, our target's hit. All right. Going on to the new day. Right. Look left, trade right. Look left. Boom. Our target's a sell. All right. My target is a sell. So I want to see buyers lose momentum and sellers start picking it up. All right. Ooh, excuse me. I want to see buyers lose momentum and sellers start picking it up. Should start buying. Buyers lost momentum quick. All right. Now to be on the safe side, to get a safe entry, you know, I would have just waited to see this. You know, I got to break a support, which is what my entry trigger line. So I got a break of my entry trigger line. I got to pull back and test it to try and break it through. And it failed to break through, giving me a bearish engulfing. And then the next candle came up trying to close above it, but it wicked. I got buyer's exhaustion. So all this area right here, right? This area right here is my entry opportunity. All right. Now, where I would have took this to. Let's see. So in this case, right? In this case, let me actually show you what's up real quick. So this didn't happen yet, right here. This current day that we're on, this didn't happen yet. We're right here. Look left, trade right. Once this breaks, right here, boom. Once this broke, if I look left, I have no other support for it to go to. So I gotta look further. Right. So let me go back. Boom. I got these two. So this opening was never hit. So I can put a line right there, right? And then a line for my low. Why? What did I say? If this breaks, then the low of that day, that next low or high, whatever the case may be, whichever direction you're trading in, that is my next entry. I mean, my next take profit. So if this breaks, my next take profit is 70 pips away from this. So let's go back over here, right? You got an entry up here. Boom, take it down. First take profit, right? 170 pips. Right? New day opens. Look left, trade right. Look left, trade right. Overall target is a buy, right? So my target is a buy for today. So I'm still expecting that sellers. So I'm expecting to take profit 2 to get hit. So I'm still holding my trade in. Right? Mind you, we got it up here. Boom, that's 176 pips I just caught. I closed my trade out when I got right here. Now from this point, I'm waiting. I want to see if buyers, I want to see if sellers are going to lose momentum and if buyers have enough momentum to pick it up. All right. All right. So now that y'all got that quick explanation, let's actually do this live. So let's test this live. Hello, so about that. I want you to help me understand. Okay. Ah, shit. Maybe I should have just. You know what? Hold on. Let me give it a second. All right, bet. Start this, right? All right, so look at this, right? So we on an hour chart. So I'm seeing a lot less momentum than I'm used to seeing. Hold on, give me a second. Hey, start draw. All right, so for today, right, my overall target is a buy, right? Why? Because my opening happened right here. So this is my first take profit, right? So this is my first take profit. And this is my second take profit. So if this breaks, then I'm looking for my next take profit to be 100 pips away. So because it's a buy, I'm looking for sellers to lose momentum come New York session to set up that reversal. All right, so I want to see buyers picking it up. Right, I want to see buyers picking it up. I don't know where to put this at. I might just say fuck it. All right, so let me speed this up real quick. Oh shit! Hold on. Too fast. God damn it! All right, but you see what the fuck just happened. All right, so what did I say? I was expecting sellers to lose momentum soon. All right, they lost momentum right here, giving me a bullish engulfing. So me seeing this, I would have got my entry in right here on some risky shit. Why? I would have put my entry in right here and put it 20 pips. Well, I would have put it 25 just because. So I would have put it 20 pips. I would have got my entry in on one of these two candles on some just high risk shit just because I'm confident with my trade. The opening was right here. You know, I got seller's exhaustion down here, 2 dojis, and I got a bullish engulfing. You know, if I remove these dojis and just put these two candles next to each other, I got something like this that you see right here. These two candles right here, bullish engulfing, right? I don't exactly this specific pattern that you see, this bearish doji bullish. That's actually got a specific name for it. I just don't know what it is. But the fact that I'm seeing this, I'm like, all right, bet. This just let me know buyers got all control right now. So I would have got my entry right here. Where my take profit at? This line, right? So, well, I would have got out right there, 109 pips. That would have been a stretch. So if I was to hold it up until here, I could have caught roughly 168 pips. But just to be on the safe side, I coming down here. I'm getting out right here. I'm cool with what I got. 119 pips, depending on my lot size. You know, I'm cool with whatever that payment was. So take profit was hit. We can delete that. I don't need that no more. I'm gonna keep that up there just in case, right? Why? Because I'm expecting that shit still to get hit. Because if I look today, look left, trade right, look left, what happened? Right? If I look left, what happened? Yesterday's low is my target for today. All right. So I'm expecting buyers to start losing momentum soon. So that's what I want to see. All right. So let me take this down. Let me actually slow this shit the fuck down. Let me keep that right there too. So I want to see buyers losing momentum. Oh, wait. Oh yeah. I want to see buyers lose momentum, right? So let me see. My entry's coming soon. Yeah. So let me pause this real quick. For me seeing all this, I'm seeing mad exhaustion. You know, actually, it's actually set up for an uptrend continuation, but I still wanted to sell first anyway. Anyways, but let me just play this. See how it goes. I got wait till the next session. Well, the session is in the next session, so I still see buyers got control. Boom, that's what I wanted to hit. All right, so just getting hit for today is it's a dub for that. It's over because buyers still got momentum. They picked it up this whole fucking time. All right, so let's wait till next day. So real quick, let me pause this real quick. I would have got in over here. Now, I would have been fucked up. I ain't gonna lie. I probably would have got in right here for it. Wait. No. I wouldn't. No. I lied. I would have got in here for a sell. So I would definitely have caught this shit. I don't know if I would have, you know, closed out here. I definitely wouldn't have closed out here, to be honest with you. I would have definitely dealt with this pullback or something. I either would have dealt with this pullback or I would have took a loss just getting in on some just me knowing myself. I would have just gotten up here on some risky shit, just like fuck it, you know. If I lose, I lose. I'll make it back. You know, that's I ain't gonna lie. That's actually what started building my confidence up with getting entries in. I just started forcing myself to take my shit. Like if it comes up to if I start seeing stuff like this, I will always be scared to get in. You know, and I'll be so scared to the point I'll let damn near almost the whole move. If not, I'll let damn near the half of the move. It's not almost the whole move. You know, play all the way out before I finally decide to get in. And then when I get in, I'm getting in too late, so I'm dealing with all pullback and shit like that. So just to avoid that, you know, I just started forcing myself to get, you know, just get in the market. If I say something's gonna buy and I'm like, you know, I think it's gonna buy. If I really think that and I feel like it, I just place my trade. You know, and I just wait. If I lose, then I lose. You know, if I win, I'll be happy as shit. But if I lose, I'll be able to learn from my mistakes. And if I'm trading with the proper risk management, I wouldn't be stressing over my loss if I do lose. You know, so definitely keep that in mind. You know, if you having trouble with your entries and stuff, and you know, just being confident taking your entries and shit like that, just take them. If, whether you're right or wrong, just take them shits. That's the only way you're gonna get better at it and more confident with it. But back to this though. So how this plays out. So look, this shit open, right? Opening. Let's get it. So overall target is a sell. All right. Overall target is a sell. Today, I still want yesterday to get hit because yesterday wasn't hit. So I want to see buyers. I want to see buyers start losing momentum soon. And like, I want to see buyers start losing momentum once we get around here, around this box. I want to see it lose momentum. So this shit, see how this shit plays out. How you want to test this joint? And this shit. So right now, I'm looking for buyers to lose momentum, right? So I can get in my trade. Right now, it's under my trigger entry line. It's under my high, right? I'm still expecting a possible retest, but we shall see. All right. So from this point, I'm looking to get in my trades, and it's just the New York reversal. And I don't really think we're going down no more. I don't really think we're going down anymore. I think the buyers are still in control. I think the buyers are still in control. I didn't see them take it low. Here we go. All right, so this shit is solid. All right, so downtrend continuation. So I'm expecting this to buy some more. So I'm still waiting to see buyers exhaustion. So since I didn't get it yesterday, I'm probably gonna get it today. Going down, most likely I'm gonna get it because it's set up for seller's exhaustion. I mean, it's not seller's exhaustion. It's set up for a downtrend continuation. So when it comes to downtrend continuation, I'm always expecting a spike up first to test yesterday's high to create that double top or triple top to bring the market down like it wants to. Let's just see how the shit plays out. All right. All right. So this should start buying. Buyer's exhaustion. I'm looking for a double top. All right. I'm looking for sellers to start taking control. Boom. I got bear action on my entry trigger line. Right. So oh shit. I would have got it right here. All right. I would have got it right there. 20 pips stop loss. 20 pips right there. And here we go. Got it right here. Boom, 120 pips. Now, my take profit that I wanted for today is already hit, right? But you see it broke past it. So what's the next place for it to go? The actual low of that day. Now, if I look past that, this is the actual place if it breaks the low of the day, right? This is where I want it to go. So I still held my trade in because this candle broke that trigger line, right? So I would have held my trade into that low. So let's see how many pips we got. Y'all just see me do this shit too. So let's see how many pips we would have caught. I would have took it. I would have actually held it right here. I would have got out right there. So let's see how many pips that is. 126 pips I would have caught with ease. So look left, trade right. What's my target for today? Hold on, let me pause this real quick. I'm trying to keep track of time too, because I can get carried away with this shit. Yeah. All right, so this is hit, so I don't need that no more. This wasn't hit, so I'm gonna still keep that out. All right. I'm expecting it to get hit now though, so I can delete this. Actually, hold on. All right, so look left, trade right. Overall target is what? A motherfucking buy. Buy. Yo, I hope this shit is recording. Oh, all right. Yo, I'm about to be sick. I be doing that shit all the time, yo, forgetting to record again, and then I'm sitting and doing all this talking for nothing. But yeah, so overall target today is a buy. So I want to see buyers start losing momentum. Right? I want to see buyers start losing momentum. I mean, I want to see sellers. I want to see sellers start losing momentum and buyers start picking it up. Now, will it break this support? Who knows? We shall see. All right? I do not know. But we definitely will see. So we got that seller shit going on. Sellers picking it up. Bearish engulfing right here. Broke my entry trigger line. Y'all see what's going on, right? Look, break, so you could get your entry in on this candle. Well, you could have got your entry on this candle, right? Take it down to this low. Let me actually do that because I'm just say I got in just because I just said look where you could have got your entry at. So boom, take profit. Y'all just seen that, right? Boom, easy 76 pips, right? Easy 76 pips. Now I'm looking for that that seller's exhaustion. I'm looking for buyers to pick it up. I would have got my entry in down there. Well, since this candle's right there, I'm gonna just do it up right back. So we got it right here. We dealt with 27 pip drawback. My stop loss underneath this. This is where I actually put it at. Now, because I'm confident with this trade, I actually would have took a little bit more risk on my account. Not too much risk, just because nothing closed at this low. So, I definitely would have took some risk though. Yeah. So as you see, oh shit, wait, we got a new day. Let me pause this real quick. So look left, trade right. My line is up here. So, oh wait, well I gotta keep that up there because that wasn't hit yet. I could delete this actually because this finally got hit. This area finally got hit, but my new area for today, it already was hit too. So this is set up for a downtrend continuation. So since it's set up for a downtrend continuation, I'm not expecting this to break. All right, and if it does break, I'm expecting price to spike up here and then reverse off of this and continue down. Let's see how this plays out. All right, so we got yesterday's entry trigger line that was just broken. All right, so because that was just broken, I could have got my entry in on one of these two candles. All right, with a 25 pip draw. Well, actually, no, I would have had. I would have put it for 25. I don't know. I wouldn't even got in this shit just because I'm looking for overall sell anyway. So I wouldn't even got in that trade. I'm looking for buyers exhaustion up around this box. My take profit was already hit for this day, which is small. Oh wait, no. I said I got into a trade. Hold up. So this was a trade. So I would have caught 106 pips. I forgot about these damn shits. All right, bet. So y'all just seen that though, right? I could have caught that. Delete this. Delete that too. Let that down continuation set. All right, look, buyers lost momentum. What did I say? I wanted to see buyers lose momentum around this box. Entry trigger line was just broke. This candle could be your entry opportunity, right? For the sell. Now, since we're selling, how much lower are we going? All right, so we probably just testing this low before anything before reversing. Who knows? All right, let me fast forward this. So right now it's set for another up down trend continuation. So I'm expecting to buy again. All right, I'm expecting to buy again. We set up for a down trend continuation, so I want to see a buy. Left trade right. Yesterday's target was hit, but this was never hit up here. Right, this high was never hit. So because that high was never hit, that's what I'm expecting it to go to if it does break these two lines. So I never explained it too, but real quick, if I'm looking at market structure, right, and I'm trying to spot market structure real quick, these lines basically highlights my market structure, in case you haven't noticed yet. So look, this should open up right here, but if I really look at this area, boom, this is the highest point of the day. This is a lower high. You feel me? And then it starts dropping. I really got a triple top or double top or no, head and shoulders pattern. I don't really know, to be honest with you. I only look for double tops and double bottoms. I mean, I be seeing head and shoulder patterns whenever I do see them, but double tops and double bottoms is the only thing I really look for. But yeah, look, so this would have been your little, just consolidation because, 23.6 is not a higher low. Little baby higher low, little baby higher low, high. Just open up down here, low, higher low, So it spots out your market structure with ease. double bottom between these two. All right, look, high, lower high, lower low, high, all right, low, high, well, high, but you feel me? So this shit definitely clutch. You know, spotting our market structure with ease. But let's get back to the live pricing. You know, yeah, nerd. Oh shit! Hold up, slow the fuck down. You went too fast. Now it's stuck. I don't forgot what the hell I was looking for. Oh, I was looking for buys. Oh yeah, was I looking for buys? Yeah, I was looking for buys. So I got. I don't remember. Now, usually when the lines are this close, I don't like trading this shit. Because usually when they're close like this, it's just consolidating or it's ranging. You may get some moves. But how you've been seeing this setup, I want to see them spread out. I want to see if this is going to be close, I want to see a nice little gap between it if it's going to be close. This shit, I don't trade it. This shit, I don't trade it. It's not, the moves are not going to really pay out. You can still, granted, you can still, catch something off of it. But it's not going to be as much fun catching those moves as moves like this is. This is the whole 237 pip push. You could have caught that with confidence. Look left, trade right, overall target to sell, need to buy first, to set up that momentum to bring it down. So that's exactly what happened. I bought first, set up that momentum to bring it down, right, and started selling. Let's go back over here, though. Let me speed this up so I can get to 100. Again, even though it's consolidated, I'm still looking for price to come up here just because it's bullshitting at the low right now. As you see, price hasn't really, price hasn't really broke this low area, this support. Ooh, excuse me. Price hasn't broke this. It's been testing it this whole time. Well, now, speaking of breaking it, finally want to come down here and try to break it. Well, we're going to see what happens. Broke. So let me zoom out, see where else it can go. So we got this down here. So when you get a situation like this, like, granted, this basically still tested it too. Well, it kind of broke it. Nah, I got test. I got test. Yeah. Let me pause this real quick. So if this was to break, right, like it just did, it did what it did. It looked like it's about to continue to go down, but when I look left, right, remember, look left, trade right. When I look left, this is already hit, and I don't have nothing else for it to go to when it comes to the low, when it comes to selling, right? So I had to zoom out. I had to zoom out and look left to see what areas in the past could this shit possibly go to. Now, if I really felt like sitting here and going through it, I would have went all the way back into that time frame to see what areas wasn't hit, to really get more precise and accurate. But for the most part, it just started bullshitting. It's still bullshitting around its low, still bullshitting. But you see why I wouldn't trade this. I'm trying to see. I would have just went to a whole different pair where I got more gaps in my shit and all that. I'm gonna do like 2 more examples. I feel like this video is dragging out. I'm gonna do like 2. Oh shit! Damn it! Fuck! Ah, too fucking fast. All right, I'm gonna go over the shit anyway. So I was expecting that buy, right? Back here, I was expecting that buy. I thought it was gonna go up here, but it never did, and this still hasn't got hit. Let me drag this out. I still wanted to hit that. It still hasn't hit that area, right? So that's still a key area that I need to be touched, right? We was right here with it. I was expecting that buy, right? Because look, we got downtrend continuation. All right, so bet now that we got a little bit more space in between these lines. Now, me seeing this, I will trade. Why? Because yeah, it's still close, but it's a nice size gap in it for me to be able to make some type of profit out of it. All right, so it's set up for a downtrend continuation. So me seeing this, I'm like, all right, bet. Since it's set up for a downtrend continuation, I'm not expecting it to break this. Why? Because shit, if I look left from today, this day right here, well, let me move the box. If I look left from this day right here, these 2 days created a double top, or triple top. I don't know. These 2 days basically touched this shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It touched it like 7 to 8 times. And failed to break it. So me seeing this is a strong resistance area. On top of that, if it was to break this, I got this next area to go to before it even goes up there. So I'm like, all right, but I don't really see it breaking that shit. And on top of that, I wanted to buy first to build on that momentum so it can bring the market down. All right. So that's exactly what we got. So I would have probably got in over here for the buy. Well, actually, what would I have got in that? Exhaustion right here. Yeah, I would have got in right here. I would have got one of these 2 candles for the buy. I would have took it to that 67 pips. Close that. Matter of fact, I know I would have got in that. I would have got it right here. I would have got in one of these 2. And I would have caught like a little quick 50 pips. Why would I got in right here? I would have got in right here. Granted, I had an opportunity to get in earlier, but the fact that the past 2 days did this bullshit, well, the past 3 days did all this fucking bullshit, that shit would have had me fucked up. I was like, man, I ain't really worried about all that shit. I'm just want to get some quick money or something. And me knowing that the overall move is still me knowing that sellers are still in control based off how the line set up. It's set up as for a downtrend continuation. Me seeing that, I'm like, all right, bet this shit gonna keep selling. Sellers still have momentum. I'm expecting buyers exhaustion right now where the box is, and that's exactly what I got. So I would have got my entry in one of these 2 for sell, or just to be on the safe side, I would have waited until after 5 o'clock so that gap can happen to get in a whole nother entry. But I would have got my entry in a pair because I'm pretty confident. Like looking left and seeing that support, that's this resistance that is having a problem breaking. What about, all right, bet we cool for the sell. I would have got my entry in up here somewhere. Bear, pull back. Now, honestly, to be honest with you, I would have waited. I would have waited until after 5. I would have got my entry in over here. I would have got my entry in over here. Why? I would have got my entry in over here. Why? Because one, I'm expecting downtrend continuation. 2, price failed to break resistance. 3, I got mad buyers exhaustion and indecision candles, and it's consolidating, and it created a double top. I don't know if you can see that, but this shit just created a double top. All right. Right. So at this moment, yes, it's a little like a double bottom, but I don't care. This is where the risky entries come in at. I would have took advantage of this, to be honest with you, just on some risky shit. This would have been another one on the trade. I'm like, fuck it. I think it's gonna sell. Boom, just get in. Stop loss 25 pips. Boom. Stop loss would have been right here. With it still being in the wick area, I probably would have moved it up a little bit more. So, I would have probably been at like negative 31, 32 pips. Yeah, downtrend continuation. So since today, so we on a new line. I ain't even peep. This is a new day too. On top of that, let me explain this shit real quick. All right, so new day, right? Look left trade, right? Overall target is a sell for today, right? So my target is a sell for today. All right. Not only that, it's set up for a downtrend continuation. Not only that, it's set up for uptrend continuation. So when uptrend continuation, when I see that setup happen, I'm looking for price. I'm looking for the market to sell. All right. So I'm looking for the market to sell so we can build up that momentum to take the market to the upside to, complete that uptrend continuation. So with everything playing out and set up the way it is, everything's working out in my favor, which is building up my confidence to take this trade. So I would have definitely took this shit, on some risky shit, just being super confident. I would have caught this. Entry would have been right here. Right? I would have caught 93 pips. I would have missed out. I ain't gonna lie, I would have missed out on some pips. I would have missed out on the extra 27 pips. But over here, I definitely would have made that back. Why? Because I'm expecting an uptrend continuation. So because I'm expecting an uptrend continuation, I'm expecting sellers to lose momentum so buyers can start picking it up. come towards the end of the session, sellers lost momentum, buyers started picking it up. All right, so I would have got my entry right here after seeing these 2 bullish candles. Boom, entry, took that up. I would have got out after all this, just me seeing all this action. No, I wouldn't. I would have held my trade in. Why? Look left, trade right. Overall target to buy for today. Right. Yesterday's open up right here, so that's my target for today. Right. So what I said, I got in right here, got in on this candle, take it up. 92 pips, I would have been in profit. All right. I'm gonna do one more for y'all. I probably might do 2 more. All right. Left trade right, up triple continuation again. So we got sell first before buying. Could have caught that sell. Boom. Right over here, look, it hit it too. Boom, 123 pips. Looking for that buyer's exhaustion. Looking for that seller's exhaustion. It's happening right now. Now let's see how the next day gonna open up. All right. Oh, I can delete this. My target was hit. I'll take profit. I can remove that. So this is gonna be my take profit for today. So my target's gonna be a buy, so I'm gonna just keep selling before losing that momentum. As you see, I was expecting buyers to pick it up, but buyers never picked it up. You see, it was still sellers still had mad momentum to push the market down. So let's move that over to the next day. I'm expecting that same routine to happen. So look, today, this is my buy is my take profit. Let me delete that. What did I say, y'all? I said I was expecting sellers to continue down, right? Boom. So with me saying that, you would have been confident to take this trade, right? I ain't even really been explaining what you call it either. I haven't even been explaining the entry lines. Let me go over here. So let me just I'm gonna do it when I'm done. I'm gonna just go back and show y'all. So let's finish this real quick. I'm gonna do 2 more, and then I'm really done after this. I keep saying that shit, but this should get fun, yo. This should get fun as hell after a while, like. And y'all see, just to see this shit keep playing out, it's addicting. It becomes very, very addicting. Very addicting. But yo, like, this is just a very, very, very small piece to my strategy. Like, that's why I'm willing to give it up, because it's a lot more that comes with this to have this become a full, complete understanding. And, if you think this video was simple, just wait till you book your session with me and we really sit down and get on the webinars, stuff like that. Like, you're going to be you're really going to start treating this like a game. Real shit. But look, I'm looking for sellers to lose momentum, right? And buyers start picking up, come to the box. And that's what's happening right now. Sellers lost momentum, buyers is picking it up. Boom, entry trigger line broke, right? Well, it ain't break yet, but boom. All right, now it's broke. This is what about my entry. I would have got my entry right there. 25 pips. 25 pips stop loss. What's that? All right, so that's my stop loss. Loss. Ooh. Ah, bet. Damn. Stop loss hit. All right, so my shit is invalid. So what I was looking for was invalid. So, damn, yo, what we won, like 6, 7 trades before we took 1 loss? All right, so down to continuation. So this buy is going to continue up. So I'm definitely looking for that take profit to get hit. This being the first one. This being the first one. This day being the second one. I would have bought right there. I would have bought right there. I probably got in early. Oh, hell yeah. I definitely got in early. How many pips am I dealing with? Drawback 50. Yeah, close. Yo, this salty as hell. Alright. I'm about to say, yo, I hate when that shit happen, yo. When I close my trade and then that shit want to fucking buy or something like that, that shit be drawing, yo. I ain't gonna lie, yo. I ain't even gonna speak on All right, now I'm looking for my buyer's opportunity. All right, so let's see. All right, I'm getting in at next candle. Target 40, 18. I got in entry for that buy. Now, if I lose this, I'm done trading. Oh shit, I never put my stop loss in. Well, to be honest with you, I keep it 100 with you. When I actually trade real, when I'm, when I'm actually doing this for real, I don't put no stop loss in until my shit going profit. Right, once my shit going profit, then I put a stop loss in because my shit always get prematurely hit. Like what happened this day when I put my stop loss right here, what happened? It came down, got prematurely hit. I mean, granted, it still sold and did all that extra bullshit, but it's still, I still could have caught. Well, actually, nah, because I got in. I think I said I got in up here. Yes, my shit would have still been a dub. All right, so this is consolidating. So 3 days consolidation breakout. So usually I want to break out down and break to the upside, but I would have got out of my trade just because it's taking too fucking long for me to be in profit. So where did I get in at? I got in right here. I would have took another 20-pip loss just on some fucking shit. I would have probably been done trading too, just because. Let's fast forward this. Yeah, that shit was consolidated. Yeah, I definitely would have. That shit was damn pause, motherfucker. That shit was consolidated for a minute, yo. Look at that bullshit. I mean, at the end of the day, it still hit my take profit. So if you ain't so 1, 2, 3. Well, it started at 1, 2, 3. 3 days of consolidation, breakout. That's what I got. 3 days of consolidation. So granted, you even heard me say it. I was like, yo, 3 days of consolidation, probably gonna consolidate for 3 days. So me knowing that, I could have had the confidence to stay in, but I don't got the emotions to. I don't, my emotions ain't at that point where I can deal with that. To put an order in and deal with 3 days of consolidation, especially on top of how I trade. I'm placing a high ass lot size, so I'm definitely not trying to be fluctuating, between profits and drawdown and fucking, 3 days straight, especially something like this. This shit draw. But as you see, these two was my take profits, and once the market was ready, it broke out into both areas. First one being 133 pips. You would have held your trade, 247 pips, but 133 pips for the first one, pull back, boom, 198 pips for the second one. Now, real quick, I'm about to end this video because I feel like it's too long, but if you pay attention to these lines, yo, this is your entry trigger line. Look, bearish, boom, pull back to retest it, failed to break it, so you could have continued down 120 something pips. Look, bearish. If you move that doji, these two is a bearish reversal pattern. All right, got it right here, took that down 121 pips. All right, look, price came down here, doji, seller's exhaustion on my entry trigger line, seller's exhaustion on my entry trigger line, all this, boom, buy, 153 pips. Look, bear underneath the entry trigger line, next candle, sell. Shit, it's sold into the next day. So right here, 151 pips. If you would have hold it to the next day, shit, right here, 240 pips. This shit, buyer's exhaustion on it. This shit didn't even make it up, so you could have been selling. Look, seller's exhaustion, it didn't hit it, but it definitely didn't break it or nothing like that. So buyers in control. Look at this, seller's exhaustion, bearish exhaustion right here. Seller's exhaustion, all this underneath the entry trigger line. So if you know your reversal patterns, you could have definitely took advantage of all this shit. Peep this, look. Entry trigger line, bearish exhaustion right here. Retest for the confirmation, boom, sell. Quick 80 pips. Started pulling back. It broke through, but then it came right back down. Bear. I wouldn't have sold that just because, of the setup. Look, straight double bottom. Straight double bottom. But look, next day, bullish, seller's exhaustion, all above the entry trigger line, boom. It took that. Look, bearish, boom, pull back for that retest, bearish engulfing, railroads, boom. This was your main entry right here. It wicked up to the entry trigger line, buyer's exhaustion, entry, take that down, 140 pips. Look at this right here. This is perfect. This is beautiful. Nice reversal pattern. Boom, boom. Bearish engulfing. Boom, boom. So if you ain't take advantage of this shit, you tripping. I would have definitely got in. Boom. 150 pips with ease. Look at this double bottom. I don't know if you see that. Let me just show you, just in case you don't see it. Yeah, yeah. I go where I want. It's good. Say what you want. Let's do it. I'm an CEO. It's good. Yeah, yeah. Body it. Hey. I check my bank account. Lying. Hey. Lying. Hey. Hey. Oh shit. So boom. Double bottom, right? Boom. Liddy. You know what I'm saying? Bullish engulfing. Broke above that entry trigger line. Doji, doji. You know, candle, candle. Test the candle. Boom. Entry. Take that up. 159 pips. If you got it down here, 172 pips. I think I said that earlier. Look, right here. Boom. I was expecting that. Oh, uptrend continuation. So I was expecting an uptrend continuation. What did I get on the entry trigger line? A tested candle, bullish engulfing. Entry right here. Take that up. 160 pips. You know, bearish engulfing. Boom. Broke the low entry trigger line. Pull back up. Failed to break it. Boom. You could have definitely took that down. Look. Bear. Look. Bearish candle. Bearish candle. Back to back consecutively. Broke my entry trigger line. Pull back. Exhaustion. Buyer's exhaustion on all three candles. Entry opportunity. So these two candles was your entry window opportunity. Take that down. It's that 143 pips. Look at this. Bearish engulfing. Broke. Pull back to test it. Then fail to break it. Buyer's exhaustion. Buyer's exhaustion. Buyer's exhaustion. Buyer's exhaustion. All of these is the entry opportunities for your window. 78 pips. And it just keep going on. Just keep going on. But that's it for this video, man. I feel like this is definitely long as shit. Yeah, it's your boy Darius McNugget. I'm about to leave all social media and stuff underneath the bio. Yo, I do one-on-ones, so if you need help with trading or anything, let me know. You know, just DM me. I'll send you everything so you can, you know, be informed. And if you like what you see, you like what you hear, let's set a date up. Let's book this session and let's get you right, man. Just go on my page if you want to see testimonies and stuff like that. No, I'm bringing something different to the market, yo. My strategy is way different. I'm guaranteed to hit. My strategy is something you've never seen before. And, you know, I'm just trying to make this shit simple and easy to understand, man. I really teach you how to understand the market. Fuck a pattern, fuck all that shit. I teach you how to understand the flow of the market. So, you know, if you're ready for that, holla at me, get at me. You already know what it is, man. But it's your boy McNugget. We out of this joint.